Morning friends, Michael Wolf here, giving you a quick update this morning. I got the radiator in the Humvee yesterday and it's all burped, it's ready to go. And while I have it in the shop and up in the air, I'm going to take this opportunity to change out the mufflers. And I've been running Flowmaster FX mufflers, and they're basically a glass pack, and sounds really good, but as it's, I guess you might say, the core is wearing out on the inside, they're just getting louder and kind of have a real annoying cackling thing going on. So I chose something economical, and I'm going with these Walker heavy duty mufflers. I think it's more like maybe a commercial truck application. I didn't know if that was where it was going. Anyway, still see through them. So I'm kind of anxious to see what that sounds like. They're bigger in diameter and longer, so I know it's going to be quieter. And then, of course, after I get done with this project, I really need to get back on that ceiling. I can't start the 57 Chevy until the ceiling's done. So anyway, I'm avoiding responsibility for just another half day while I do this little project, and then I got to get back to it. So I'll be updating you all later on. Thanks. Bye-bye.